The Hisense WC14W25A 14,000 BTU window air conditioner is a powerhouse designed to deliver reliable and efficient cooling for medium to large rooms. With a cooling capacity of 1.17 tons, this unit quickly lowers the temperature while maintaining a quiet operation at just 56 decibels. Its straightforward installation process, complete with an easy-to-use window kit, allows you to set it up without professional assistance, making it perfect for anyone who wants fast relief from the heat. This AC comes packed with features that enhance convenience and functionality. The dual control system gives you the freedom to adjust settings directly on the intuitive control panel or via the included remote control. You can switch between modes like cool, fan, and dry depending on your needs, and the smart 24-hour timer allows you to program automatic on-off schedules to save energy and match your lifestyle. Its washable, removable filter ensures that maintenance is hassle-free while providing cleaner and healthier air throughout your space. One of the standout features of the Hisense WC14W25A is its smart home integration. With the Connect Life app, you can control the AC remotely or even use voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. The unit is Matter certified, making it seamlessly compatible with a variety of smart home setups. Beyond smart controls, the AC also features a dehumidifier function, filter light reminder, and sleep mode, offering a well-rounded experience for year-round comfort. Durability and reliability are key with this Hisense unit. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it gives peace of mind that your investment is protected. Its compact dimensions of 21.5 inches deep, 18.9 inches wide, and 14.6 inches high make it suitable for most standard windows without taking up excessive space. Overall, the Hisense WC14W25A combines powerful cooling, smart features, and effortless maintenance, making it one of the best options for anyone looking to stay cool and comfortable at home.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.